Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Victoria Imade and I am back with another video, period. Y'all, as you can see, my locks, they are so cute. Of course, they haven't locked. It's only been like 3 weeks since I've locked it. So you guys are gonna see in this video how I twisted my hair, right? I'm gonna answer a couple of questions for y'all. I went about it doing the 2-strand twist, and the reason why I did the 2-strand twist, it took me a while to decide on whether I wanted 2-strand twist or coils. When I tell y'all, I'm not a fan of the look of coils, and I felt like I would have looked crazy. And I want to enjoy my hair. Like, I don't want to be like, oh, let me cover it up with wigs, or let me like do something to it. I don't want to do that. Like, I want to actually wear my hair. So honestly, I don't regret doing the 2-strand twist. Like, it looks big, you know, and I like that. So I'm getting a lot of frizz right now, which I'm okay with. Like, I live for big hair. I can't wait for my locks to fully mature. So yes, like I said, it's been 3 weeks. I was gonna go with a loctician, but there's 2 people. Lock Bay, I believe her mom started her locks, and then I forgot the other girl. Give me a second. WestIndieRay. But yeah, she started her own locks, and I was watching a whole bunch of videos because one thing about me, I do hair. Like, I know how to do hair well for myself, like, really. But I was like, do I want to? Should I, like, I don't want to be so cheap with everything. So I was like, should I pay the money or should I, like, you know, do it myself? I watched a couple of videos. I watched a lot of videos and I realized, okay, it's not even about me being cheap now. It's something I actually want to do. I want to start my own locks. I feel like it's more empowering. Like, I stare at myself all day, every day in the mirror now. Like, I'm in love with how I look, and I can only imagine how it's gonna look when it fully grows and it fully like matures. Hey y'all, so I'm currently wiping off my makeup. I had a long day, literally had work, had some assignments. So yeah, it's about to be 10 o'clock right now, and as you guys can see, I am getting my locks done. My friend Lydia she's doing them. She's currently in her room. I'm doing the 2-strand twist method. I was gonna do it myself, but honestly, I have no desire to do such. Again, and I'm busy. I don't have time to sit and just do my hair right now. I don't know, I'm just excited. I'm excited to actually start this journey and be locked up. And as you can see, movement, period. Guys, look at Lid. Anyways, so she's over here. What?
You have to clean your screen.
What's wrong with it?
You have to.
Anything different?
Look how cool that is.
I'm gonna keep what I had in the video before, you guys. But anyways, Lid, you guys see the movement, period. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I'm excited. Okay, so it's short, but I think, you know, yeah, I can wear it out. I don't know if I'm gonna change the color. And yeah, we still have a good way to go. We're kind of like 65% done, I would say. Hey y'all, good morning. This lighting is not doing justice for my face at all. Lydia did most of these, but then I woke up and I was like, dang, like, do I have enough locks? So I counted them, they were 29. I currently have 42, so I don't know, do the math. I've added that many to my hair, and I think 42 is a good amount in my hair. I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and make any more smaller because I was like, this is 42. I don't know how many this could be, but I'm aiming to have like 80 to 90 locks. I think that's a good amount for me. I've been watching videos all morning and I've been seeing people with like 100, 50, 200, and I think it just depends on personal preference. You won't know until like your hair starts to grow out, or not even grow out, but until it's like done and you see it. Someone was like, I started off at 190 something, I brought it down to 150, and I'm currently at 120, and I'm like, that's crazy. Like, you know, might like this, I might not like it. I might want to make them fuller, I might want to make them smaller, but I think 80 to 90 is a good range for me. The way it was looking before with the 29, if I kept it like that, I probably would have ended up having like 70, which I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures of how I want my hair. To be honest, I do want, I look crazy, all sorts of crazy. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of like some other women that have locks and the look that I'm going for, so that way you guys can see. I'm excited. I want the process to like go fast. I can already be like locked. I know it's gonna take a while. I know the journey is gonna be a hot minute, but we'll see how everything goes. So I couldn't wait for Lydia to come back. Sis does not come back till 6. As y'all can tell, I've done all of this, and look at the twist. It is giving, period. I'm gonna continue with what she's been using. She has this water bottle, so I've been spraying my hair basically like this, just putting a good amount, and I'm only gonna do this row for y'all. And then let me show y'all, she has this conditioner. It's called Bella Curls leave-in conditioner. Just put a generous amount. And honestly, I really could have started my twist myself. I'm just lazy. Personally, I'm just lazy. But it's not taking as long as I thought it was gonna take. I hate doing hair. I used to be all into, you know, doing my hair and stuff, but it's just work. That, and then I have this little brush. Just gonna brush it out. And if someone knows my hair texture, please let me know in the comment section below, because I've been trying to figure that out for years. Of course, it changed because I've processed my hair, but for the most part, this is how my texture is. There was a phase when I was trying to change my texture, but so I was dyeing my hair actually, and my hair does not change. Like, it's so annoying because it's like, damn, like I wanted looser curls when I was younger. Now I'm all for like your actual texture, keep it, just make sure it's healthy, maintain it. See, so that way, yeah, just doing 2-strand twist, but just making sure that it's healthy, making sure that your hair is fed and has the proper nutrients. So that's really all I care about now. I would say my hair grows, but not to the point where like I'm okay with. Cut my hair 2 years ago. Like, I'll put a picture so that way you guys can see, but it was like a little bitty fro. I mean, I have length now, like, you know, it's wearable. Me going natural definitely made my hair thicker, because when I was getting perms, y'all, look, I look bald headed. Like, it was so bad. And I'm hoping that me locking my hair is gonna help too. I don't want my hair to look too thin. I want it to, like, you know, have some volume and be thick or whatever. It's easier doing it in front of a mirror. It's definitely more difficult doing it in front of the camera. So I'm gonna retwist that one because it's not giving. I'm also gonna get my hair, I could leave it like this, but I want to get it like twisted, like a retwist. I'm still trying to learn the terminology for like locking hair, but basically, like, you know, the coil method through the roots, like the retwist. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing. I told y'all I had, how many did I tell y'all I had? Was it 40 or 42 before I started this side? Yeah, I don't know how many I have now, but we're making progress. So since I'm doing this side myself, I'm definitely making it more fuller. I'm not even putting that much, or that many. I'm putting probably 4 or 5 on each row. How I normally do my braids, like whenever I do my braids, I put 4 or 5 just for a fuller look. And I guess that does help because I know how my face looks with how many in a row. So when I first started doing my hair, it was tragic, y'all. Like, I did not know what fit me. So I would have like 15 dookie braids in my hair, and of course that's not flattering. So as I started, you know, getting more advanced and started doing more hair, I realized how many braids I need in my head, and I never really counted, but you know, for the most part, you can eye something and see how it's supposed to look. I have a good visual of how I want my locks to look. Super excited. I'm about to do this last one for y'all, and then I'm going to go back in the mirror. This definitely does help, like talking while I'm doing my hair, because it's like interacting. Yeah, y'all can already tell. That's crazy. I'm not even done. And this looks more fuller, so I'm gonna have to redo some of these because it's not giving. But I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited. You don't even understand. If you've been wanting to start locks, start now. Just start. But I will say there's a timing for everything. I want it to be like locked up in a sense. I wanted to be locked up since like I was young, like, you know, but I just wanted to try as many hairstyles as I could, and I'm glad I got to experiment and all of that. So now I can finally move on to this phase of being locked. Next year I'm gonna be 25. I can't wait. My goal is to wear my hair. Not for my birthday, not for my party, but the goal is to wear my hair. Y'all can see my roots, hot mess, like hot ass mess. So I'm gonna do my own retwist. I was gonna get my hair professionally retwisted, but I wanna try, I wanna see. It doesn't hurt to try. If I'm not able to do it, then I'll give it to someone else. But typically for any hairstyle, I'm able to get after I watch some videos. And I wanna do my own hair. Like, I think that is a part of the journey for me, at least. I wanna be able to do my own hair. I wanna be in control of the whole process. I wanna, like, you know, enjoy my locks. I don't want it to, like, I don't know, it's just a personal thing for me. So that's why. As far as this, my hair was already colored. It was pre-colored. I was gonna dye my roots, but I decided not to. So I was like, let me just leave it like this. I do want to go ash blonde. Like, I think ash blonde will look super fire on me. But yeah, I think that will look cute. I'm thinking about doing that. Also, in the video, Lydia started off my locks. Like, she started off, but I don't have patience, y'all. So she started off doing the 2-strand twist, and she had class. I just couldn't wait anymore, and I was ready to drive back to Houston. So I was in San Antonio for that weekend. I was ready to drive back to Houston. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna finish it myself. And then I had energy, I had time. Like, I was like, whatever, like, I might as well do it. So I started doing it, and I was like, before you know it, it's done. So Lydia did like the back half, right? Not the back, oh yeah, she did like the back half. And I did pretty much everything. The reason being said is I don't want big chunky locks. Like, I didn't want that. So with the way she was twisting it, it looked cute as far as like the twist out, like, you know, it was very petite, all of that. But once it started to mature, I already knew my locks were gonna be like big. And so I forgot how many I have in my hair right now. I'm gonna have to recount that, but I think it's 76. So that makes sense. With the way she was going, I was probably gonna, no, 76? Is it 76 or 86? I don't know, along those lines. But with the way she was going, I was probably gonna have like 60 in my head. And I have a pretty small head as far as like hair. I don't have like a full set of hair. So 60 probably would have looked good, but I would rather take my chances with the higher number. And I was speaking to some people, they said when it comes to locks, like, you know, even if you have a lot, you can still twist them together or lock them together. You know, I'm still trying to learn the terminology and how everything, like, you know, works. So even if it's a higher number, if I want to like put them together and make my locks like a smaller number, I will do that, you know. Why I started my locks, or why I chose to start my locks, y'all, I've been wanting locks since I was young. So y'all know I am tatted, kind of not as tatted as I would like. I've been wanting tattoos why I say tattoos, I've been wanting locks for a while. I think it goes with my whole persona and all of that. And I don't know, I think it's an earthy look. I think it's definitely beautiful. Like, it's like, wow, like you're able to embrace your locks, because locks is one of those things. I mean, yeah, you could do, it's versatile. Like, you can still do things with it, but again, it's not the same as having your natural hair and just being able to do like that. So I really commend people who have locks, and I'm like, wow, like, it's beautiful. So I want to be a part of that process and be a part of those people that have locks. When I was younger, so it's 4 of us, four siblings, myself, my sister, and my 2 brothers, right? So 3 out of the 4 of us had locks. My mom cut them off, I want to say around 4 years old. And I always think about like how my hair would be if my mom never cut my locks. Like, what? Like, it would have been insane. But whatever, like, I'm starting brand new, I'm starting fresh, and I'm all for that. Like, you know, now that I'm more aware of myself, my being as a person, I feel like this journey would be amazing for me. I'm super excited. I'm super excited to see how it's gonna go. I'm gonna share the process of this with y'all and just show y'all how it is with my locks. I think I'm gonna be retwisting my hair once a month. Sometimes I might go a little longer, because if I like how I look, I like how I look. I'm not gonna force with it. So I don't know, I haven't really come up with a wash routine. I do rinse my hair once a week so far. Like, I am doing that. But as far as washing, I think I would wash it once a month. Again, it's only been 3 weeks since I like twisted my hair or started my locks. I haven't been able to do like the full thing. I've done one style so far, Bantu knots, and I added extra hair. I didn't like how small my Bantu knots were, like with my actual hair. My locks started to mature. I want to start playing with it, start doing more hairstyles. Also, I want to touch bases on the difference between coils and coils and 2-strand twists, and not really like what they are, but why I chose to go the 2-strand method. So part of the reason is because coils start to unravel. And this is when I was really just thinking about it. Like, if I do pay somebody, I'm not paying somebody so that way my hair can unravel and I can end up doing it myself. That would actually piss me off. So I said 2-strand twist makes more sense. I have seen my hair unravel a little bit, but it's not, just a little bit, and it still stays together, which is weird. But I guess the frizz is what holds it together. But all you have to do is just do a little quick twist. It's easier to twist, in my opinion, than coil. The process of me doing the 2-strand twist, I would say, took like 2.5 hours. That is nothing, y'all. Like, I've done long, like, box braids that have taken like 16 hours. Like, when I tell y'all 2.5 hours, I can do. Like, it was cool. I was just playing music, I was jamming. It was cool. So it was not that bad. If you don't know how to do hair, I feel like you could still try. But if you're nothing for that, go with a professional. Go with someone who can do a 2-strand twist. I didn't use gel to start off. I just twisted. I used conditioner. You guys will see that in the video. I used conditioner and I used water, like just that. And I've been watching some videos. The Lock Bae, she doesn't use gel for her hair. She just uses oil. So I really don't know what method I'm gonna go as far as retwisting my hair. We'll see what I like. If I do end up using gel, I will show y'all the type of gel. The gel I have is upstairs, or the wax, as I should say. And I just want to see what my hair likes, because again, this is still a trial and error phase. I'm still starting, so I can't really speak on what works on my hair. And my natural hair, I never really took care of it. I don't know what shampoos work for my hair, what conditioners, what moisturizers. So this is really like brand new as far as like me taking care of my hair, because I never took care of my hair. It was always just cornrows, throw a wig on, ponytail, like whatever. My hair was always dry, so I want to definitely take care of my hair, make sure it's moisturized and make sure it's just good. So overall, I'm excited for that. And this process, y'all, I am excited. I am so excited. I will keep you guys in the loop as far as how my hair is and all of that good stuff. So yes, y'all have a wonderful day. This concludes the video. If you guys have any questions for me, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Y'all follow me on Instagram. I haven't really started posting my hair on Instagram, but I do want to start. So y'all follow me at Victoria Imade, and I will be sure to give y'all more content. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell down below so that way you guys know whenever I drop a new video. And y'all, I'm gonna be giving y'all more lifestyle. I'm going to Thailand and I'm going to Vegas. So yes, those vlogs will be coming up. And if y'all want to see anything in between that, like the preparation and all of that, I will give y'all all of that. So just let me know what y'all want to see and I will deliver. Y'all have a fantastic day, fantastic week. Y'all remain blessed. I love y'all. And thank you guys for coming back. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. So kisses from me to you.